Hello there, welcome to my channel and welcome to another card making video. So as you can see, I have this, and this is from Dawn's Roses Are Red, which was released back in February, not that long ago. And yeah, her stencils turned up late, so didn't get a chance to play with it, and I want to play. So what is it that I'm doing with it? So I have a 5x5 white card base. This is going to go over the top like that. I'm not putting like pattern paper. I am, but you know what I mean. I have these little bits here. The eyes went a bit naff, but I like it. And this is the only pattern paper that I will be using. So yeah, we're going to get started. Put them there. And ooh, been looking forward to playing with this stencil. Can you tell? Right, I'm hoping my card's not going to move. It probably will. I should tape it down really, but I'm using Distress Oxide in Frayed Burlap and Memento in Rosebud. I don't use this an awful lot. It's a pretty colour, it's nice and bright, so I think they're going to go well together. So all I'm going to do is go around the edges with my frayed burlap. This was not the plan. I was just going to cover it all and then go over it again. But this is what my hands are doing. My brain and my hands do not work well together. Right. Stay there, card. Don't move, please. Oh, and it didn't move. Awesome. Right. And I'm just going to come in just a little bit. Right, finish with that, and now for the pink. Okay, see how bright this actually is. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Isn't that a lovely colour? Very pretty, very, oh, it moved. Very, very pretty. Don't move no more, please. Go around the edges again. Get a bit more pink on there because I like the pink, and I think it will mix well with the frayed burlap. Right, let's take it off and see what we've got. Ooh, isn't that pretty? I like that. Absolutely beautiful. Now we're going to cover it up. Not all of it. So I've got this. So this is just going to go on there. And I've got like a tab top, which I cut out of some of the roses paper. And I love the distressed look. So let's just do that. And whatever's left on my brush. That'll do. And all I'm going to do, let's get my glue, is stick it down onto this little scrap piece of paper. Try and get it in the middle if I can. Oh, too far down. Is that the middle? Middle of it all? I don't know. Right, and then we're going to stick the whole thing down. So this will be a quick one, I'm guessing, because it's just a simple, straightforward card. Beautiful. And then the little owl. I don't like the eyes on that. Yeah, the little owl, Dawny Owl. I mean, she does have blue eyes, but yeah, I think I went too dark. Never mind. So Dawny Owl is just going to sit there. I love this stamp set. It's just do that. Join it all together. Oh, throwing things now. And pink. I wasn't expecting this card to be so quick. I thought I would and ah about it, but I love it. Absolutely love it. So that will sit there like that. Do we need any gems on? Let's have a look. I have a little tub of gems. Let me get my gem tool. Wrong side. Let me see what we have. I'm sorry if my head gets in the way. I can't pick any up. Let's just pour some out and see what we get. Oh, I have some gorgeous pink ones. Another one. All these gems, all these flat back pearls and everything are from Dawn's kits. I've just added them all in together. Is that pink? Yes. Oh yeah, I've added them all in together. About there. That's perfect. Right, let me see if I can do two hands. Two hands. 1, 2, and 3. Awesome. I love that. I like the way it looks. It just goes so well together, doesn't it? I'm so glad I got to play with the gorgeous stencil. Yes, that's going to go in with all my other favourite stencils. They're all my favourite stencils. But yeah, okay, I'm leaving it there. I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye-bye for now.